Hi guys, Jelly O Jemmy's long time no see. To get that chicken dinner, you got to do the first thing you gotta do is you have to land first to get that loot first and more faster than them. So the thing you want to do is you want to mark the spot you want to land on. For me, in this game, I'm gonna prefer school, and then we'll wait until you get to the location, and as soon as you just mark that location, you have to jump. Okay, how will the jump be? To be faster, you have to go not sideways and not in front. You have to just do it what is between in front and beside, and just steer the screen like this. Look, it's so fast to do to land if you're in this condition. As fast as you finish looting, you have to run to the play zone where there is no blue zone to kill you. You have to watch out for every single person beside you.
Damn!
When you are inside the play zone, now you have to watch out from snipers like this and so much more. So you have to be jumping, moving sideways, and being fast, because so much people want to get that chicken dinner other than you. Okay, I killed someone right here with this AKM. It was a good kill, but you still have to watch out, like me now, if there's someone on top of a hill that wants to snipe you. So just like this. Let me just look for him. Come on, baby. I know you were around here. As you can see, I think he spotted me. He's right over there. Done. Just like that, okay? Now you got what I mean? Boom. 4 kills. Someone is shooting over there. I gotta go and check it out. Oh no, the play zone has shrinked. Bye-bye. As you can see, guys, right now I'm running into the play zone because I don't want no stranger killing me. And please be careful of the red zone, because the red zone isn't a good place to be in. Because if you don't know what the red zone is, it's the red zone is a kind of a circle that airplanes just put some just explode everything in there. So you gotta be very, very careful in this. You have 40 seconds to run. It is the red zone time is 2 minutes. 40 seconds to run away, and 1 minute and 20 seconds just exploding everything. Oh, guys, as you can see, I'm running away from the blue zone over there because I don't want to be in the blue zone, because the more I'm in the blue zone, the more health I'm gonna be less. Yeah, I killed 5 until now. It's not a good game to me. But there's 13% alive now in the map because I'm following every instruction. Jumping, being careful of the red zone and everything. Okay. Is there someone here? Someone there? Okay. Guys, I got killed after killing so much players. Yeah, I'm so sad. But at least I got the finisher. Oh, I'm so sad at this. So guys, see you in the next videos. I'm so sorry I didn't upload the videos so much because I forgot and getting busy and everything.